So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Then in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of your Valorant restarting again and again. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Inside here, click on services.msc and hit OK. Once you do it here in this list, you need to find the option of VGC. That's a virtual client that is running to that is used to run your game. Now, for example, this is there. You need to find that exact name that named as VGC, just the three letters. Now right click on that. Currently I don't have one right here because I'm just showing you the tutorial. Click on this option of properties and hit on this option of startup type to automatic. Once you do it, hit apply and then hit OK. Once you do it, you'll notice that your game issue will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.